Okay guys, here I am, an unboxing video for the Husqvarna 315X Automower. Very excited to get this from Husqvarna in exchange for trying it out and reviewing it and sharing my experience with you guys. Today I'm going to open it up and take a look at it. It's protected pretty well, some bubble wrap and lots of cardboard. I'm going to be having this thing installed this week. The installer's going to come by, but he asked me to go ahead and charge it, so that's what I'm doing. I get some extra cardboard here, looks like, for protection, and more protection. Oh, there you go. That's a sweet looking unit right there. Wow, can't wait to see it cutting my grass, I'm telling you. That's really nice. Okay, so let's get this out of here so we can take a look at the rest. Okay. Alright, here we are. So we got some installation materials, maybe some guide wire or something. The installer will be working with that. A lot more cardboard. There's some manuals. Okay, got the quick start guide and the main manual. I can put that somewhere safe for sure. We don't want to lose that. More cardboard, yes. And it looks like this is maybe the charging station underneath. So probably need to move all of this cardboard out of the way. So we start taking this stuff out. They package the stuff really well. They don't want it to get damaged in shipping. So far it looked great. Nothing was damaged, everything looks protected. So here we're going to remove this cardboard insert. And yep, that's the charging station. That's where the Automower parks itself every day and gets juice and then goes and does his job. We've got a white box there in the corner. I'm guessing that's the power supply. Let's see, yep, sure enough. See that? Power supply. Okay. So that's where you'd actually connect that to the wall, next to the charging station. Now let's get this thing out the box so you can take a little bit quick look at it. Let's see, okay, yeah, there's the flap where the mower would actually connect to underneath. And the back is where the power connection goes. Alright, yeah, that's pretty cool. So anyway, that's been a quick unboxing video. Stay tuned for the installation video and then some use later.